Hi class, as you know, today we are not having a live class session because I am helping my daughter move into her apartment as she goes back to college. So your task today is very simple, and on your screen right now you see a picture of the grade book. Now the way you go into your grade book is you click into classes from your online school and you click on grades. Okay, now this is just a fake grade book that I've created. This student has a few missing assignments. You can see this fake student has a C minus, but your task that you need to do today for your exit ticket is to find the grade that you received on your first writing assignment. So the way you're going to do that is you're just going to scroll down, okay? You're going to scroll down until you see the section of your grade book that says standards-based writing. Okay, and there are two different versions. There is standards-based writing 1A or standards-based writing 1B. All right, depending on which class you are in, determines which version of that assignment. If you see where it says exempted, that means you didn't have to do that version of the assignment. So this fake student has the version B of this assignment, and this student got a good grade. They got an 8 out of 10. So that means they got a B minus. Now, this is the other part that I need you to do in order to create your complete your exit ticket. You need to look at the overall feedback section. See where it says overall feedback? This student has feedback. This is the feedback I have given the student based on their writing. Need to capitalize sentences. So this means this student must not have capitalized their sentences. Okay? And then secondly, run-on sentences. Make each thought a new sentence with capital letters and period at the end. Okay? So that means that this student maybe did not have separate thoughts. A run-on sentence, just as a reminder, is when we string all of our thoughts together without separating them with capital letters and punctuation in between. So each one of our sentences should be one complete thought. So your job for today is to complete the exit ticket that is called English, so it'll be ENG, okay, English, and then ET for exit ticket 3. This is week 3, so ENG, ET 3, and then it's going to be the date, 8/15/22. That will show up on your schedule today, and the first question is just going to say, what grade did you get on your writing assignment? And there will be multiple choice, A, B, C, D, F. Okay, so you have to go into your grades and you need to find out what grade you received. Now, if it was a blank, if you haven't completed the exit ticket, you're just going to mark F, okay, because by now I would have put a 0 in. So a 0 means an F. And that doesn't mean you can't still complete the assignment. The second question is going to be a true or false question. It's going to say true or false. I have read my feedback, and that is where I want you to go, and I want you to read your feedback. Now here is the important part. If you received less than a C for a grade on this assignment, you have the opportunity to go and redo it. And in just a second, I'm going to show you how to go and find your submission. Now I'm going to scroll up. The way that you go find your submission is you are going to go to progress. We don't use this progress very much, okay, but we're going to go to progress. And then we're going to click on quizzes over here on the left. And then we're going to go down and we're going to find that writing assignment. WRB. See that? We've found our assignment. And then we have this little arrow with details. If we click on that, details, we see that that feedback again, need to capitalize sentences, run-on sentences, and then we have our attempt 1. We can click on that attempt and check that out. It opens up the quiz, and here is the student's attempt. Okay, here is the student's attempt. So that is how you will get back to see what you wrote, and then you can decide whether you would like to redo your CRQ. You have 3 tries, and I just want to encourage you, the only way that we get better at writing is to try again, okay? So the only other thing that you need to do today, besides looking at your grade and completing your exit ticket, is I would like you to get at least 15 minutes done of Freckle. Okay, if you do not know your login to Freckle, which is the same as the Renaissance website, you can email me. Okay, I'll be checking my email today. I will send you your login information if I can. Your login information for the Renaissance website to get into Freckle is the username is your student ID number, and the password is your student number, okay, or is your first name with the last 3 digits of that student number, and you do not capitalize your name. This will all be on your directions in your class announcements, as well as in an email that I send to your class. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.